Hi, I'm Ashley, and here is my dinner fit check. The dress is from Amazon, the jacket's from Zara, most of my jewelry is Amazon, plus Little Words Project bracelet, and then the bag is Steve Madden, and shoes are Amazon.
Hey guys, my name is Chrissy, known as Chrissy Styles on Instagram and TikTok. I am wearing a denim jumpsuit from LIKEtoKNOW.it. I am wearing these gold Jeffrey Campbell pointed toe heels. My jewelry is Amazon and BP jewelry. My bag is Amazon, rings are Amazon, and that is my outfit.
Say hi, I'm Gabby. My dress is from Amazon. My bloomers are from Amazon as well. And then my boots are LIKEtoKNOW.it. And that's it.
Hey y'all, I'm Hattie. My dress is Amazon and my shoes are Dolce &
Hi, I'm Kira, or Kia Ilita, and my fit today is this shirt, denim jacket from Boohoo, these LIKEtoKNOW.it boots. They are the shark boot dupe, and I just love them so much. My earrings are from Amazon, they're hearts, and my jewelry is actually from this plus-size friendly jewelry brand, and my bag is chocolate.
Hi, I'm Megan. So the whole entire fit is from Amazon, except for this jacket is from a boutique, and the jeans are from Good American.
I started Mujeres Social because I found that diversity and inclusion was lacking in the industry, and so I'm so excited to have an agency that really prioritizes that and puts it at the forefront. And of course, LTK, we love to use it. It is a huge and amazing tool. We encourage our creators to use it to optimize and bring their different flows of income a step further. And now that LTK has partnered with Mujeres Social and putting diversity at the forefront, we're so happy to continue this ride.